Hello, this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'd like to give a demonstration of how machine learning can be applied quite easily to scenarios, solving problems, and helping making better hiring decisions, promotion decisions. On my desktop, I pulled up Microsoft Excel, and I've built a model using Predictive Model Markup Language. This spreadsheet is interactive, and so as I change different values, it will rescore. The scenario is we have 5 candidates internally who are working for a company, and we're considering them as bench strength for a sales position. Now this means that they would move into a sales position, so they have to be matched to an assessment and a performance model for the sales role. There'll be a fit score with that instrument. Then they have to have ratings, sufficient performance ratings from their annual appraisal by their supervisor, their manager. And then there are also skills they need to be measured on. They go through an emotional intelligence assessment, and there's a fit score available. And then finally, we know that if they have had some experience in selling in their industry, that is helpful. So we have 4 different variables. 3 of them are continuous, and 1 is a categorical variable. And what the predictive model in markup language does is it predicts a 1 or a 0. In this case, it's logistic regression. A 1 being, yes, we predict that if they were put into this position, they would perform to such an extent that the sales they would have per year, the gross average sales, would be above the median, the halfway point. So half of the salespeople would sell more and half less than the median. And for candidate 1, with 87% match in the assessment fit score, 3.2 on the leadership assessment or a sales assessment, and then the emotional intelligence score, that's a percentile and does have industry. Well, the model predicts that this candidate would be someone that you would want to consider promoting. Candidate number 2, actually again, different scores, and is predicted to be a lot more likely to have performance above the median. Candidate 3, no. And then the last 2 candidates, yes. Now if we change some of the information, now we lowered the assessment score here for candidate 2. For candidate number 1, let's say 35, okay, that goes down. Candidate number 4, 3.7 is actually a threshold, and if we change candidate 5 to 0, so this is an example of a spreadsheet that is interactive and that actually helps us very practically implement machine learning through modeling. And the predictive model markup language looks like this. It's in another spreadsheet, and through formulas in this column, both worksheets are linked together. I'm glad to say that earlier today I finished my data mining course and got certified, and so now I've finished all 3 courses: optimization, simulation, and data mining. So it's a big day to celebrate, and I thought I'd right away use some of the knowledge from this data mining course and share it with all of you. So this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. We are predicting performance through analytics and help you decide with data.